So you're starting a YouTube channel and you're wondering how to grow. Stay tuned guys, I've got a perfect tool to help you do just that. Coming up guys, I'm going to show you show you a tool that you can use for your YouTube channel and help you get more views and grow your channel. But before we go, if you're interested in earning money online and starting your own business, then please feel free to check out my number one recommended way how to make money online through affiliate marketing, and that is in the first link in the description guys, so please check it out below and let's get into it. Hi guys, so one of the ways you need to do for grow your YouTube channel and to get seen out there is by putting tags in your descriptions. When you're filling out your description, put tags on your videos and that. So you can use programs such as TubeBuddy and vidIQ, but I've also found these couple of sites. Well, there's 4 sites I've found. The Rapid Tags is the first one, and I use this a lot. So what I tend to do, when you open up the Rapid Tags, it brings up this screen, yeah. So you got like your search bar in the middle. So say for instance, you're looking, I don't know, let's say you're looking for golf, yeah, in your niche, on sports or whatever. No, in fact, we'll keep it easy, and we'll stick to affiliate marketing because that's what I do. I don't know what a lot of you do. So what you do is you press search, and then it'll generate loads of tags. So you can go through these and see which ones you want. And if you think, yeah, okay, I want all them, just press copy, and then that'll copy them all. You then go over to your video where your tags go, and you paste them there. You can also look for your traffic information, so you can you go in there and you can type in your channel name, see where you're ranking at, or you put your videos in there, sorry. Yeah, it's got a few things on guys, so check it out. I mean, I use this a lot, and like I said, if there's some in here what you don't want, just press the X and it'll get rid of them. Next one guys is one called Keyword Tool. Now these next 3 what I'm going to show you, I've not actually used them, but I found them yesterday when I was going to make this video for you guys. So again, type in affiliate marketing, search what language you want as well, but yeah, put in affiliate marketing and then you can see it brings them down here. So guys, you probably have to upgrade for use this one, but it's giving you a list of them here. I'm not sure if you can tag them all, if you can save them all, put them into your yeah, showing different hashtags here. Like I said, I've not used this one before. Yeah guys, so the next one is called Keyword Keg. I've not used this one before. I mean, same pricing there, so you obviously have to pay for it. Let's just see how much. Yeah, so you can use the free version, guys. You don't need to pay for it. It's used by it's featured on like quite a few well-known sites. It's telling you all about it here, like what it does, what features are built in to help you get to the CEO, which is search engine optimization. You can put it into your website as well if you've got a website. Let's see if we can have a go at this one. Yeah, so let's show me profitable keywords. Yeah, so get rid of that, we don't want the keyword. So search for affiliate marketing again. And as you see, well, no, you don't see actually because it's not done it yet, but you can change different filters and that, but we'll keep them all, sorry guys, we'll keep it all the same and we'll just search. When it's ready, and as you see, it's given us quite a lot of well, 4,439. You could actually narrow it down by using the filters and or doing a longer keyword, long tail keyword it's called. But as you can see here, affiliate marketing on its own, the volume for it is huge, so it's probably better to narrow it down, guys. But it's quite good, this one, because it's showing you a lot more information. It's going to be hard to rank and get your video on the first page with this if you just use that as your keyword. So it's probably better to use like longer tail keywords. Now it's not giving you all the options because you have to pay for it, but at least it's giving you the first three. So let's say, for instance, affiliate marketing for beginners. So you can see it's longer. So let's see if it same for companies. We don't want companies. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Yeah, so you could probably rank for this one. It's only a small. What I suggest, guys, if when you're trying to rank for them, I suggest finding keywords what are less than 5,000, and then as long as you can't say that word, optimize. As long as you optimize your video, i.e., put the tags you're ranking for in the so what I do on my business channel, guys, I'll put the title, I'll copy and then paste it on the first line of the description. I will then all the way down in the bottom, I will put it in again. So as you can see, I've done it on this one, trailers 299. Yeah, but then when you're actually making your video, it gives you a section where it says tags. So then what you want to do, you want to put your title as your first tag in that tag box, and then you want to put lots of other tags which you'll get like off things like here. So you can copy that, then you go across to your YouTube channel and you paste them all in. But what you want to do first is you want your main title as your first tag, and you want it as your title, in your description at the top. So it doesn't have to have an hashtag. It doesn't have to be hashtag first, but you just use that same wording in the first line. Then also put it at the bottom or somewhere in the description, but with a hashtag, and then put it in the tag. So then YouTube then are going to see that word. Your video is all about that. So when anyone searches, your video is going to hopefully be found, or it's going to rank and get near the top of the first page. yeah, so let's carry on with this, guys. So we've tried this one. Saying it's facing problems or something. Once again, affiliate marketing. No, I've not used this. I've not used this. I know I've already told you once. So if you select all, right, yeah, so you can copy and paste these as well, guys. It's selected them all, but I don't want them all. But yeah, you search in your tags. You can select them all, you clear them all if you don't want them, or you can individually click those X's. I don't know if you've seen it, like. Then it copies them all to there. You can copy it, take it to your YouTube channel, and paste them. So yeah, guys, I'd choose rapid tags. Rapid tags is really good, so I'd use that. So guys, if you got any value out of this, or you've used any different ones other than the ones I've just shown, please let me know. It's always interesting to find new ways of ranking your videos, and in my next video, show you different ways how to rank in YouTube as well. But guys, let me know, yeah. Comment down below if you got any value out of this video, or if you think it's you don't want to know any of this, and I don't need to show you again, yeah. So yeah, thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with an affiliate marketing video. So stay tuned. If you've not already done so, guys, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Till next time, guys.